Some people only realize your value when it's quietly gone. Your silence isn't absence, it's the loudest truth they'll ever hear. True strength isn't in shouting, it's in standing calm while the world trembles around you. Watch closely. Here are 7 silent habits that make people finally understand what they lost. 1. You remain steady while they fluctuate. Chaos doesn't scare you. Consistency is your quiet armor. While they lose control, your calm presence silently shows your strength. They notice the gap between their drama and your peace. That's where respect grows. Steadiness speaks louder than arguments ever could. That's when your value hits them. 2. You stop bending to please everyone. Boundaries are invisible walls that reveal true respect. The moment you stop chasing approval, they finally see the cost of taking you for granted. Energy you protect is power they can't touch. Refusing to please everyone silently forces them to notice your worth. 3. You quietly step away from toxicity. Leaving isn't giving up, it's giving them a lesson they can't ignore. Your absence makes them reflect on every moment they wasted while you were present. Walking away without words is louder than any confrontation. Sometimes stepping back is the clearest way to make someone realize your importance. 4. You observe more than you speak. Silence isn't empty, it's a mirror of truth. When you watch quietly, people reveal their intentions without knowing it. Your calm observation highlights what they hoped you wouldn't see. The lessons they learn in your silence are far stronger than any argument you could make. 5. You forgive, but not to be understood. Forgiveness is your peace, not their validation. Letting go quietly forces them to meet the weight of their own choices. Karma moved silently, yet its impact is undeniable. 6. You grow in silence. Your life moves forward while they're still questioning your worth. Success isn't applause, it's the quiet progress only you witness. Every achievement you make in silence is a reminder of what they underestimated. Thriving without seeking recognition forces them to realize your true value. 7. You let them wonder. Mystery is the quiet teacher of regret. When you stop explaining yourself, they start questioning every choice they made. Your calm confidence becomes the standard they wish they could reach. Wonder is the silent way to make someone finally see what they lost. Silence isn't emptiness, it's power disguised as calm. People never respect what they can't control, and they rarely notice until it's gone. Those who ignored you will eventually feel the weight of your absence. Value is never recognized in the chaos of words. It's realized in the calm of actions, in the quiet of absence, and in the patience of self-respect. Stay silent, stay grounded, let them reflect while you continue growing. Because the people who truly deserve you will finally notice, and the ones who don't will learn quietly what they lost. Share the line that touched you most, and subscribe to Mindful Ways, where silence isn't empty, it's your most powerful story.